Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to unbox and review the HCALORY Toolbox 2S 12-volt portable diesel heater, the 2025 upgraded version. Stick around and we'll show you what this little thing is all about.
Hi, I'm Tamara.
And I'm Denon.
Thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Tamara.
And I'm Denon. Welcome back to the channel. Here we review gadgets, we also take our little van on adventures, and we show our little camper builds that we put into this little Nissan NV200.
Please like and subscribe to our channel. It would really help us out.
This compact unit promises fast heating, quiet operation, and up to 50 hours of heating on one single tank. It's designed for campers, RVs, and trucks, but we're thinking about using it for cold weather adventures, like obviously fall camping, maybe some winter camping, and of course our fun coffee setups. And maybe even those crisp days out on the patio when we just want to hang out. Today we'll do a full unboxing, a full setup, and we'll see if this little heating unit really delivers. Before we get into the unboxing, we would like to thank the team at HCALORY for reaching out and sending us this to review.
Thank you.
Because this is the 2025 upgraded version, what does upgraded mean? Well, here is the feature breakdown. So we have 3-minute fast heating thanks to the redesigned aluminum body. There's a 50-hour long runtime with better fuel efficiency and a 6-liter tank. There's quiet operation thanks to the new silent oil pump. No more annoying ticking at night. This also has an integrated toolbox design, so it's easy to pick up, move around, and store. You can also use the smart HCALORY app. It has high altitude mode, multiple timers, automatic start-stop, 10 heat levels, and even a fan mode. All right, pretty excited for this. Let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. First box of goodies. Oh. Ooh, wow. Well, it comes packed pretty nicely. All right, of course, we have the actual toolbox unit, which, to be honest, is not as heavy as I thought it would be. We have a box of goodies and the user manual. What's inside the box of goodies? All right. So this looks like the muffler that goes on the end of the exhaust. These look like various ventilation options. That's cool. We actually have a vent cover. Say this would be the exhaust pipe. Some wires, power cable, clamps, and accessories. More clamps and accessories. Maybe this is like an exhaust topper. We'll find out when we go through the user manual. And another box full of goodies. Oh, this would be the power adapter. Now we'll have to go and fuel this up with some diesel. Put it together and give it a real world test.
First time getting diesel.
Yep, never used diesel before.
Now, follow this right because
Yep.
you want.
There you go, that's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that was
Easy?
yeah, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Alright. Whew, that is.
Stinky.
Yeah.
Well, we went out and we fueled up this thing with some diesel. Now it's my turn to put this all together. Not going to lie, when I first opened up the box, it looked kind of daunting, but after going through the user manual and watching a few videos, I think I can manage. Let's find out. So to simulate how we would actually be using this with our van or van camping, or even out here on the patio, we'd be using our Bluetti to power it up. So we're going to install the app on my phone, and then we're going to figure out how to fire this bad boy up. Well, we've installed the HCALORY app, and it says that we have actually connected this device. So we're going to see if we can turn it on. We've had some smoky discharge because it's brand new, so it's actually starting to work. I can feel it blowing, it just hasn't heated up yet. And if you notice, it is outputting 116 watts off of the portable power station. So it says that it's actually supposed to heat up within 3 minutes. It's been about 30 seconds. Let's see how much longer it'll take. All right, so we've got it powered up and it's blowing some hot heat right now. You can feel that. That feels pretty good. One thing I do notice that it does puff a lot of exhaust. I'm not sure if that's just the initial startup and just burning stuff off, or if that's going to be how it regularly goes. But there was a couple of things of really black exhaust smoke that were pretty noxious. So maybe that's just a little quick burn off, we'll see. As for quiet operation mode, we are actually on a main street, so I will put the microphone around it to see if you can actually hear things. I don't hear a tick, 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 but I do hear it blowing, and it is no longer blowing black exhaust fumes, so that must be just from the initial startup. You can already tell that it's really nice and warm, and this is only on 5 right now. So I can just imagine you put this up to 8, this would crank up and heat up anything really, really, really fast. Oh, my bad, it was actually on 4. So I know that there's a little side panel that you can use and control everything, but so far, all I needed is to use the app, palm control, and you're just good to go. So mid-temp goes all the way up to 10. I don't think you'll ever need it at 10, unless it's like -40. But right now I had it on 4, and that was just blowing some hot heat. So they say that if you had it on low temperature, you could actually run this for about 50 plus hours. That's pretty crazy. We only filled the tank about 2 liters, so we're not going to be doing a 50-hour test. But for me, this is good enough. I'm pretty stoked on this. So on the low temperature, this is pretty warm right now. This is almost too hot to touch, so I'm just going to let this go. This exhaust gets really, really, really hot, so do not touch this. Right now, it's only pulling 17 watts here and there when it needs to. And you can see there's still a little bit more exhaust coming out. Could just be because it's a diesel burner. We're going to shut this off. And there, it's going to shut off and cool off on its own. That was a quick little 5-minute test. So you can also use this to control the unit, but I am pretty happy with the app. So far, here's what stands out. We have pros. Fast, efficient heating that only took about 3 minutes to heat up. There will be a longer runtime because of the larger 6-liter tank. It is pretty quiet. Like I noticed, there is no tick, tick, ticking, and they promised that there would be no tick, tick, ticking. You have to love the app control. It's really easy to use, easy to set up. And of course, the portability with this handle and the toolbox style, it's really easy to move around. What are the cons? Well, you will need to carry diesel, and if you're already carrying propane or if you're using electricity, that might be a little bit of an inconvenience. Well, the setup actually requires a little bit of space. Not too sure if I like it out here on the patio, but I feel that it would be perfect for outdoor applications. So is the new HCALORY Toolbox 2S, the upgraded version 2025, worth it? If you camp in colder weather or you need some heat for your RV, for your camper van, for your trucks, for your car, I think this unit is the one for you. With the 2025 upgrades, this is a solid investment, and I give it an 8.5 out of 10.
If you're interested, we do have a code for 20% off. It is Tamara20, and you can find it in our descriptions.
So that's the review of the HCALORY 2025 Toolbox 2S portable diesel heater. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It would really help us out. Bye for now.
Hi, I'm Tamara.
And I'm Denon. Thanks for watching.